See, let me see. We don't fight finish. Does it not zoom? A lot to learn. Guys, unboxing. Oh yeah. Me tired from work. You see, it feels like I didn't do anything. My hand is not. It's not handy again.
You want to turn it off?
Yeah, I was here.
I'll just do it for my
Okay. Guys, make a tap from my luck. Yeah. Wow. Agots. Laptop. I remember when I bought yours. And now you're not the one buy for me.
Yeah.
See life, oh. Woo. See, I don't confuse though. This gift is gifting me, oh. It's just doing me somehow. Hey, I'm confused. See ya, make it see ya. Guys, unbox with me. See. Hey, my son bought this for me. Hey, God, I beg, oh. You see? Look at that. Look at the way I'm opening it. That's actually too sweet. See, my son got me a present, so I'm here to know what it is. Okay. Be better picky when you know mama, what mommy loves. So you know what he's getting me for Christmas. That is too much now. Hey, look at that. Even with the case, back to university. It's so big, oh. Hey. Oh. What is this? Is it TV? Look at that. Also said it's a laptop. Hey, this children will not kill you. So, guys, let's carry on. See? Yeah? Oh, this is too big. Guys, my son gave me this one. A laptop. He is 21 years old. He got a job. Okay? I'm a very responsible mom. My son cannot buy me things when he's not working. I will not receive it. I will not take it. He got a job. He has a job. Okay? So he brought me this one. So I take it with full chest and I pray for him. Yes, guys, everyone help me pray for him. Okay? Pray for him, for me. Look at that. In my whole life, I've never even bought new laptop for myself. In my whole entire life, I got used one second hand. Cheap before I buy it. If you know me, you know to say hey, see, life is not a sweet, oh. Life in UK is sweet, oh. It's sweet. See. Oh my, what? Ta-da-da. Make I open her. Oh la la ba. How am I going to on it? Where will I start from? Hey?
The button is there.
Thank you so much, my son. God bless you. So go adebawe. I agbe igwe. No matter gbe me gbe won mo. No matter the me won mo. Baba le baba do deba mo kala mi. Do gba ore mi. Swear no we ba so de. Emi da ro eke gede wa ya mi da ro wa gede o ya baba le baba o la go do swear me. You go ma go e make as gbe me eke so gbe me eke ma baba le won mo baba. On a very young, we need just to Christy get more my eggs in that siegbo. I guess so hold that siegbo. I guess so bad and sweet siegbo, baba. Get a bay out. Can we have a fed on it down with baba? Really, I didn't know when we need Jesus Christy. Amen.
Amen. Right, so it's the top right.
See,
in the corner there.
Tear rubber. This is not second hand. Hey, tear rubber. This one is the on. This one here,
yeah,
I'll on it, but I have to charge it first. Look at that, guys. Look. I feel like I should come and show you people this one. See, the story of my life is coming, right? See, right there, and this one, every other thing. Look at the even bought the case. Haha, trust me.
There's something else as well.
Going to the
There's something else.
This one.
No, in there.
In there. Let me open this one first. See, I can vlog. I sleep on top of laptop. Look at it. You even chasing me to go back to school. I will go. This is the bag I will be using. Hey. See, this one here. Wahala. See, that's it fine. That's it fine. Thank you so much. That came with a bag. See, oh, these children, they know past me. I remember how many years ago I bought you your own Apple laptop. And now you're not buying for me. These are the manuals. I read it. Yeah, I'm so tired. I came back from work and he got me this one. I would have been jumping from one place to another. Look at that. Manual. Yeah. This one I'm waiting. That's
the charger.
The charger.
Yeah.
The charger look posh, eh? It looks like a car key. Look at that. Hey, this is the mouse.
Got your mouse.
Hey. This is the charger, original. More Pieroba. See. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my son. I appreciate that.
It's all right, Mom.
Last time you bought me a bag.
Yeah.
That bag, new one is still there. Please take care of your children. Oh. You people should look after your children. They should be your first priority. They should be your high responsibilities. In fact, the number one. Number one. So the way you will do for them, they are coming to do for you. Okay. So, guys, help me pray for him. And this, God, I think this is my Christmas present. As you can see, my Christmas present is loading. Arrived already. Yeah, everything, all the tools. You know, I beg. I am super excited. I don't even know what to do. Hey, it's a lot, so.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, I got laptop, not just play. Oh, it's all laptop. See, look at that. I'm super excited. So much. Thank you. Wow. See you guys.